Hey guys, this is Darko, and this in front of us is LG's OLED Flex TV from 2022. I know it's end of 2023 already, but this unique TV was presented only in spring this year to the Croatian audience during product launch of 2023 models. And I got a chance to bring this TV home to test it for a few days. So in this video I'll share my experience after testing it and having this unique product at home. Let's start. I will not talk about standard features of this OLED TV. It's a 42-inch Ultra HD 4K model with all the benefits of OLED technology, so great picture for SDR and HDR, fast response and wide viewing angles. The main selling point of this TV is ability to adjust curvature of the screen. So let's see it. This is flat screen. And now it's fully curved. What makes this TV closer to a monitor is ability to adjust the height of the screen. You can also tilt it, and my unit was able to pivot it a few degrees left and right. TV comes pre-assembled with a massive stand, which also has rear lighting, and you can adjust this lighting in the menus. So to come there, let's go to all settings, general, lighting setting, and here first you can toggle it on and off. You can adjust its brightness to 10 levels. And you have several modes to choose from. To be synchronized with video, with sound, and then you have further tweaks here. Dynamic mode, peaceful mode, or one of 4 static modes. And here you can customize each of them. And if you want a white color, you need to go all the way to the left. So it's not really visible on this bar, but first is pure white, then it goes from red, yellow, and so on to other colors. TV comes with WebOS 22 with game dashboard, so for gamers you will have additional options to tweak. And there is also Magic Remote, which has pointer, scroll wheel and quick access buttons. So you get all the benefits of standard LG's TV running WebOS Smart TV platform. You have different connectivity options, 4 HDMIs, USB ports, and also unique feature for this TV is that USB ports can be assigned for TV or for PC. You do that by pressing the switching button, which is on the stand, and then from that menu you have options to adjust and to assign ports as well as built-in microphone for PC or TV usage. There's also game app on this TV, which is unique. So if you long press curvature button, you will see wallpaper and icons. First is showing active HDMI input, wallpaper selection, and 2 apps, YouTube and Twitch. If you go to wallpaper, you will see 3 predefined options, plus this one I added using Think app. You can do it yourself. But other than that, I don't know what's the point of this window, because you can access any app through this standard WebOS interface right here. And then if you want to show wallpaper, you have art gallery and you have built-in media player, so you can play your own, not one wallpaper, but as many as you like. And if we go to HDMI input, there is this game dashboard showing status of incoming signal, as well as you can adjust screen size to simulate 32-inch, 27-inch or full screen 42-inch experience. Multi-view is also available, game optimizer options, and so on. Let's just see multi-view. As you can see, different apps you can have in parallel here, and you can select from which the audio is coming. TV has front-firing speakers in the stand. You can see that there are 4 speakers behind this grill, but I wasn't really impressed by it. Bass was totally lacking, and I'm thinking of, for example, Hisense E7 KQ Pro TV, which was designed for gamers. That one had much better bass, and I was expecting the same from this TV, since gaming is main feature of it and main selling point. Of course, as usual, I recommend that you connect external audio system. HDMI ERC is supported, and you can also use optical sound to send it to external device, as well as Bluetooth connection if that's what you prefer. So at the end, the main question is this TV worth it? After all, its price is much higher than for standard 42-inch OLED. And if you're looking for immersion, then get VR headset, not curved TV. I've tested many curved TVs in the past, and I was never immersed in content more than I was with standard flat screen. Here the situation was the same, except here I could test same scene with flat or curved screen, and no matter how close I would come, I was not more immersed, more inside the content with curved status of the screen. So at the end, this TV is not a game changer. It's a demonstration of what OLED technology can do, and if you really want a curved screen and you could somehow benefit from those different levels of curvature, then sure, this is definitely a unique option and you should get it. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching it. Let me know what you think about this TV, and I would like to thank LG representative office in Croatia for this unique opportunity for me to test LG's OLED Flex TV. Have a nice day, and I'll see you soon in my next video.